Hello friends, today in this video I am going to share you all the answers of Save the Christmas quiz or enjoy the holiday spirit by playing Save the Christmas game. But before starting the video, I want to tell you all that if you don't get your reward after scoring 100%, then please turn off the ad blockers in your browser, then try again the quiz. Okay, now let's move to our video. Question number 1. All 11 hands on deck. Can you help the elves get to Santa's workshop to start making toys? Answer C. Question number 2. Help the elves put this toy together. Select the correct order of the parts below from front to back. Answer A, D, C, B. Question number 3. Can you spot the elf in Santa's workshop? Answer B. You can see here that behind the gift boxes the elf is hiding. So, click the option B. Question number 4. Oh no! The name on the present has been ripped. Can you help Santa and the elves figure out who it belongs to? Answer B, D, A, C. Question number 5. Can you find Santa's hat in this hodgepodge of images? Answer B. You can see here that the red and white colored hat of the Santa is in the option B. Question number 6. Santa is getting ready and is choosing his mittens. Can you tell us which of the following combinations is not a matching pair of mittens? Answer D5. As you can see here, the pattern on the D is star shape like, and the pattern on the 5 mitten is like a snowflake. So these two are different. Question number 7. Which ornament did not make it onto the Christmas tree this year? Answer this type of red color socks that contains a symbol of snowflakes. So you have to click this option. Question number 8. If it takes 7 elves 7 minutes to make 7 teddy bears, how long would it take 100 elves to make 100 teddy bears? Answer 7 minutes. Question number 9. A present has been lost. Can you spot the present? Answer D. You can see here that behind the candy cane our lost present is hiding. Question number 10. Santa warms up with a bowl of alphabet soup. It looks like there is a word. Can you unscramble the letters and write the answer below? Answer Rudolph. Capital R U D O L P H. Question number 11. Santa's reindeer are just about to take off. Dancer goes before Blitzen, but after Prancer. Comet is lined up before Cupid, but after Blitzen. Dancer takes a dance break and then returns to the end of the line. In which order will these 5 reindeer take off? Answer Prancer, Blitzen, Comet, Cupid, Dancer. Question number 12. Santa is found himself in a bit of jam. What is the lowest number of ice sheets Santa must step on to get to the other side? Answer 5. As you can see here, The first one contains 7 ice sheets. The second path contains total 6 ice sheets. And the third one contains total 5 ice sheets. So the third one is the correct answer. Santa hit some turbulence and dropped a present over the Amazon. Can you help him spot the package in the dark? Answer F. You can see here, beside the green bush and in front the rhinoceros, our lost gift is hiding. Question number 14. Which silhouette of Santa's reindeer is not one of the actual reindeer in the image? So, you have to click this option. The backside legs or the last two legs are a bit odd, or it is not actual, or we can say that these are fake. So, you have to click this type of option that contains these type of two legs. Question number 15. There is a box of Christmas decorations left out. Can you find the missing piece? Answer. You have to click this type of option that contains a big shape of orange at the top position and a red leaf at the down left hand side and a red color fruits part at the down right side. So you have to click this type of option. Question number 16. The sun is about to rise over Europe and Santa needs to get to North America. If Santa has 4,710 miles to travel, how fast will his average speed be if he arrives in 40 minutes? Answer 7,065 miles per hour. Question number 17. A clever kid left a cryptic message for Santa. He must solve it to find the cookies and milk. And Santa can never leave a cookie behind. Can you unscramble it and write the location below? Answer. Under the wreath, let's type it. Capital U, small n, small d, small e, small r, then give a space, then small t, small h, small e, then give a space, capital W, small r, small e, small a, small t, small h. Question number 18. Math is different at the North Pole. Can you solve this math equation? So, here the candy canes are, one piece is 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals to 21. So, here Christmas wreath plus candy cane equals to 16. So, 7 minus 16 equals to 9. So, the Christmas wreath will be 9. Then, candy cane plus Christmas wreath equals to will be 16 and it minus a snowman which equals to minus 1. So, this snowman will be 17. Okay, now let's do this. 2 snowmen, if we do addition, then it will be 17 plus 17 equals to 34. So, 34 will be the correct answer. Question number 19. Another clever little kid has left a contraption for Santa. Can you tell us which glass will fill up with milk first? Write the digit below. Answer 5. But wait, I think there is a glitch or something like that in this question, because if we see the image attentively, then we can clearly see that the glass number 6 will fill up with milk first. So the actual answer should be 6, but due to a glitch we have to type the number 5 so that we can get 100% score in this quiz. Today is 10th December. Today this glitch is working, but in near future if you get 95% score after typing the number 5, then you have to type the number 6. Question number 20 or the last question. traveling at warp speed, Santa keeps time in a mysterious and peculiar way using 5 different watches. What should the time be on the 5th watch? Answer 7:05. Okay, now let me tell you all that how is this happening. As you can see here that in the first watch and in the second watch there is a difference of time about 12 minutes. Next, in second and the third watch there is a difference of time of 24 minutes, and again in the third watch and the fourth watch there is a time difference of 36 minutes. So similarly the time difference between the 5th and the 4th watch should be 48 minutes. So the time on the 5th watch will be 7:05. Finally, look at here. We have achieved 100% score in this Help Save This Christmas quiz. And now it's your turn to like, share and also subscribe my channel for latest videos on earning related quizzes.